Hello my friends, this is FPS Jimmy from FPS UK here, and today I'm going to be doing an accuracy test of the Smith & Wesson 1911 and the Well MBO6D sniper. Right, the firing rate, well, the target is over there, which is target, so I'm going to see how I can do when I shoot it. I'm going to have 5 shots of the sniper and 5 shots of the pistol. That's 5 of the sniper, so I did pretty well there. Let's just have a quick look at that. That's not a shot, that's just a hole in paper. We've got 1 very near the centre, and 2 which are pretty much gone in the same area there, and then 2 there. Right, let's go back to the pistol. Right, same distance. Oops. Oops. That's 5. Right, let's have a quick look at them. Right, pretty bad shot there and there, but got 2 here, and then that's pretty much it. And behind where I had the box, it has definitely done well there. There's a BB stuck in there. Just push that through, so that's pretty much gone through. As you can hear, there's BBs in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here, so I only missed 1, so that's not too bad. Right, hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Remember to rate, comment and subscribe. Thanks.